What's up, everybody? It's Chris from Chris Does Things at Okana in Oklahoma City to try a new place called Smokehouse Social, which is one of the finer dining establishments at the Okana Resort. The inside was super modern, a lot of tables really close together, so if you need a lot of space, something to think about. There were some sports simulators that were available for $50 an hour, but we're here for the food. The pricing of it was pretty reasonable. We found most of the meat plates to be under $30, sandwiches to be under $20, and then cocktails to be around $16 to $18. Now, there was a showstopper part of the menu that did have quite a few items that were over $100. I don't know, maybe if you give me like 100 likes on the video, we'll try one of those. But we started off with a pecan hazelnut espresso martini, which was spectacular. And then we started off with some deviled eggs that had some brisket and bacon on it. Really good with a couple of their house-made sauces, especially that smoky tomato, really delicious. Then we had the farmhouse salad, really great with fresh avocado and blue cheese. Then we got a 2-meat plate with a couple of sides. The cornbread was amazing, but we started with some brisket. We also had some pulled pork. Then we also tried the mac and cheese, which I found to be a little on the sweet side with the cornbread topping, and some potato salad, which was it was fine. Rounded it off with a s'mores in a jar, which was a lot of marshmallow fluff, but if you're into sweets, that was quite the dessert. Overall, really great experience. Let me know, have you been to Smokehouse Social in Oklahoma City? Make sure you like and subscribe to stay tuned to all of our adventures. Until next time, we'll see ya.